Ladies and gentlemen, some of you might have heard there is a wildfire going on down in Florida. This story came out on Newsweek, May 14th, 2020. Florida wildfires 2020 map updates, fires, shut down interstate, forced evacuations. Wow. Wildfires that broke out Wednesday afternoon in Collier County and continued to burn into the next morning, shut down Interstate 75 Thursday morning, and forced the mandatory evacuations of 30 homes. More than 6 square miles have burned on both sides of the interstate in southwest Florida, resulting in closure of a 20-mile stretch known as Alligator Alley. My uncle was talking about that to me, that highway. According to the Greater Naples Fire Rescue District, the fires spanning 4,000 acres merged overnight and 10% contained as of this time. The Board of County Commissioners authorized an immediate burn ban in Collier County back on April 16th due to the lack of rainfall the county received in March. Residents of 3 streets in the Golden Gates Estates subdivision were ordered to leave their homes. Several cars and trailers in the subdivision have been severely damaged and destroyed by the flames. The Citizens Contact Zone has been set up for affected residents, and meals and water have been made available to evacuees. We are asking that everyone please be patient with our first responders. This is a dynamic situation, and okay, let me just go down. They're just talking about, certain road closures around the area. Okay, here we go. The wildfires have been fast moving due to a low humidity and moderate gusty winds, which are expected to continue into Friday. However, the southwestern Florida region is anticipating a gradual increase in moisture going into the weekend. Showers later today are possible. This year, Florida has seen 1,324 wildfires, but okay, so they had a total of 38,229 acres that have burned this year. Wow. Last week, more than 1,000 Florida residents were told to evacuate their homes as wildfires raged across 2,000 acres in Santa Rosa County on the other side of the state. Again, dry weather and high winds catalyze the flames. Okay, so I didn't realize it was that dry down in Florida. Wow. Walton County is experiencing 575-acre wildfire last week that displaced 500 residents. Alan Smith was arrested on Tuesday in connection to the Walton County fire that destroyed 59 homes. Oh, y'all had a little arsonist down there, huh? Smith is accused of burning prohibited materials on his property and did not fully extinguish the fire, causing it to spread into nearby dry vegetation. So he caused the fire. Well, not an arsonist, just foolish. Okay, so the last major wildfire that engulfed Collier County took place on March 2018, just over a week apart. The two fires resulted in 28,403 total acres burned. Well, y'all be careful down there. But I'm not surprised that the conditions are dry. In the beginning of the year, they said it would be a drought year here in the country. And I believe I did a video on that too, that they were anticipating certain parts of the country would have a drought. I tell you what, it's not in my state. It's almost like every time I blink, we're getting rain. We've had a very rainy winter. Not that much snow, but definitely a lot of rain. And I can tell you, there ain't going to be no drought here in the Northeast. But y'all, please tell me what you think about the Florida wildfires that are going on right now. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.